I'm going to show you how to send a PDF in Gmail. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. So the first step is you want to go to gmail.com. Now, if you aren't logged into your Gmail account, it will ask you to log in, but I am already logged in, so it takes me straight to the inbox. Now, once you get here, near the top left, you'll actually see a button that says Compose, and you just want to click that. It will pop up with this new message window. And so the first thing you want to do is enter in the email address of the person that you want to send this PDF file to. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in my own email address. That way we can see the email come through to me. We can then enter in a subject. Now, this isn't necessary, but people do like to usually have a subject line to their email. So I'm going to go ahead and just say sample PDF attached. And then we can enter in some body text to the email. And again, you don't have to put in any text here, but I'm going to go ahead and just put some in. And I'm just going to say, hello, I have attached a sample PDF as requested. And then I'm just going to go ahead and now add in the actual PDF document. So the way we can actually do that is near the bottom, we'll see a bunch of options here, and we actually want to focus on the one that has a paperclip. And as we hover over it, we see it says attach files. So we want to click on the paperclip, and it'll actually take us to a window where we can select all of the files from our computer that we want to attach to this email. So for me, I have a PDF document on my desktop, and we can actually see the PDF document right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight that and click open, and it'll upload. And as you can see, it is now attached to the email. Just in case I attach the wrong one, I can always click the X icon here, and that will allow me to remove the attachment, but this is the right one that I want to send. So what we can actually do is once we make sure it's attached, we can go ahead and just click the send button. And since we sent this email right to me, it actually came back to my inbox. And as we can see, I'll click the email and open it up. And we can see that we have the subject line that we entered, the body text, and the PDF document. It is attached right here. So I hope this video was helpful in helping you to see how to send a PDF in Gmail. Now, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date with any other videos that I might post just like this one. Now, if you have any questions or are unsure about anything I mentioned in the video, be sure to leave a comment down below, and that way I can go ahead and respond back to you with an answer to your question.